Ever tried to catch rain with a colander? That's Zelle when your bank isn't listed. Hey everyone, have you ever been in that situation where someone wants to send you money with Zelle, but your bank isn't even on the list? It's like trying to catch rain with a colander, frustrating, right? Well, fear not, fellow financially fluid friends, because today we're diving into the not-so-secret world of receiving Zelle payments even if your bank isn't part of the official club. Now, Zelle is a super convenient way to send and receive money directly between people. It's fast, it's easy, and it's supposed to be seamless. But what happens when your bank throws a wrench in that well-oiled machine? Don't worry, we've all been there. Maybe you're with a smaller credit union, or perhaps your bank just hasn't gotten on board with Zelle yet. Whatever the reason, getting stuck in this situation can feel like a dead end. But hold on a sec, because there's actually a light at the end of the tunnel. Here's the good news, even if your bank isn't officially listed with Zelle, there are still ways to receive that money. That's right, we're about to turn that leaky colander into a rain barrel. Here's what you need to know. Option 1. Embrace the Zelle app, even without your bank. This might come as a surprise, but you don't necessarily need your bank to be part of Zelle to use the service. Yes, you read that right. Here's the catch, you'll need to download the standalone Zelle app, which is available for both iOS and Android devices. Now, before you get too excited, there's a little more to it. While the app allows you to create a Zelle profile, it won't connect directly to your bank account. Instead, you'll need to link a debit card to your profile. But there's a twist. Only eligible Visa or MasterCard debit cards issued by U.S. banks will work. So, if you have one of those lying around, you're in business. Here's how to get started. Download the Zelle app and open it up. Follow the prompts to create your profile. This will involve entering your name, phone number, and email address. Now comes the key step, linking your debit card. Make sure it's a Visa or MasterCard debit card issued by a U.S. bank. Once your card is linked and verified, you're good to go. Anyone can now send you money using your email address or phone number associated with your Zelle profile. The funds will be deposited directly to the debit card you linked. Option 2. Check with your bank, they might be playing catch-up. While your bank might not be officially listed with Zelle yet, it doesn't hurt to check with them directly. The world of financial services is constantly evolving, and maybe, just maybe, your bank is in the process of joining the Zelle network. Here's what you can do. Give your bank's customer service a call. Ask them specifically about Zelle and whether they have plans to integrate it into their services. While you're at it, inquire about any alternative money transfer options they might offer. Remember, an informed consumer is an empowered consumer. A word to the wise, always stay vigilant. No matter which option you choose, remember to stay vigilant when dealing with money transfers. Here are some golden rules to keep in mind. Never share your Zelle login information with anyone, not even friends or family. Double-check the recipient's email address or phone number before sending or receiving any money. A typo here can mean your money goes to the wrong person. Only use Zelle with people you know and trust. Zelle transactions are generally considered final, so be cautious when dealing with strangers. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay financially savvy.